sacrifice everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and I'm back with another video. Now, are you looking to do an overall paint job like what I have to do here, and you're thinking about using a PPS system, a disposable cup system? Well, let me give you some tips and help you out on the best way you could go about doing an overall paint job with one of those systems. You could be using the D-cup system or the Spectrum system, 3M or Sagola. It doesn't really matter. Even some of them other brands that are out there, you can use them all and do the same exact thing. Alright, so for today's example, we are going to use Sagola, their DPC, disposable paint cup system, which it could be, PPS, DPC. They all different names from all the different companies out there. They all gonna do the same thing. What I'm getting ready to show you can all be done with any of these companies, any of these brands, no matter expensive or cheap. You can use the same method. Real quick, real simple. Let's say you're doing an overall paint job, like I said, I gotta do on this SUV here. And I'm worried about keeping a wet edge. I'm worried about those materials that I just sprayed drying up on me and having dry spots. So one thing that you can do to avoid all of that is have your material pre-mixed. Now, of course, I only have the smaller, cups. If you go with Sagola or some of these other companies, they have the bigger cups. But I have these cups here as an example. But once you got your cups and everything is pre-mixed, you done mixed up all your materials, and now you just pour your materials in each cup. Now, when you run out of material that you're spraying on your project, for example, if this is the cup that just ran out, now take that cup, this is already pre-mixed, ready to go. You take this cup, throw it in, lock it into place, set your gun up, and you right back to it. You don't have to wait. You don't have to keep mixing up and mixing up material. You just have it pre-mixed. Simple as that. And you don't have to worry about if your material is drying out while you're painting and you're trying to mix up the paint. I don't know why I still got this plastic, but now it's gone. But that's what will help you out to keep those wet edges, especially when it comes time to clear. All right, just wanted to give you a demonstration of what I'm saying, using water and the cups. And don't mind the collard green pot. I'll make sure I get that back home so the queen don't be missing it. But as you can see, I'm pouring up the water in the different cups, giving you the example of if I had paint material already pre-mixed, I got my cups ready to go. I'm spilling material, but luckily this is just water. And we're all set to go. So now I have my cup, I'm empty. So now I gotta get more material. So my next cup Don't waste your material like I'm doing. But your next cup will go in your cup. You lock everything back in place, and you're all set. Alright, kings and queens, so hopefully this video helped you out on PPS cup systems, how you can use them to be beneficial to you while doing an overall paint job. You can use one cup, you can use larger cups. Doesn't really matter what system you go with or what brand. They're all going to be exactly the same. You can use them all the same, pre-mix, set them all up. Now listen, your reducers, your catalysts, all that is going to make a difference, on how fast that stuff is drying while it's sitting in that cup. So you can't be playing around while you're painting now. You got to be moving. But as you're moving, once that material runs out, you can quickly, reload, You reload, and you can get right back to it. And that's how you can use the system effectively to get the job done and get it done right. So, again, hopefully this video was helpful to you. And I'm going to get back to work. So, it's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ. And I'll see you in the next video.
Everything will be a